In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the defogger on a JK Jeep. This stuff here, Permatex, rear window defogger. This is actually just came undone. So I'm going to open this up. They give you a little towel to wipe. It's an activator. Here's the little towel. It's an activator. You're going to use that to clean the pad, and then it says that you have to knead this here together. I cut all the rubber off the connector so it can lay flat on the pad. Okay, so I put some tape on it to hold it in place. That's going to wrap it up. I ended up getting that off Amazon. I went to a couple different auto parts stores and they didn't have the repair kit that I ended up getting. So I'll let you know how this actually worked out, and I guess I'll catch you next time. Later.